Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free and awesome videos from our channel. And remember to hit the bell icon so you can receive similar types of videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we're going to be seeing about jewelry for yellow sarees. So without any minute, let's get back into this amazing video. But before we do, remember to like to our channel and subscribe to our channel. So now let's jump into this amazing video. So friends, talking about the jewelry for your yellow silk sarees, you can try going on with amazing and beautiful gold jewelry, silver jewelry, or even uncut diamond jewelry. You can try going on with antique designs or temple designs, which includes a few gods. Now these give you a great look, and yellow saree is also attractive and colorful. So if you give the right jewelry for it, it gives you such a great and attractive and unique look. It also gives you such an amazing look too. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. So remember to like to our channel and subscribe to our channel, so you can purchase similar types of this amazing and beautiful jewelry and also the yellow silk sarees or yellow sarees by clicking the link below in the description box. Friends, you can purchase in Amazon and they're absolutely beautiful. So bye friends.